An alien rescued my car from Busaevo Lake. It started like any normal day. I was driving through the rough roads near Busaevo. Suddenly, due to a deep pothole, I lost control. My car slipped and fell straight into the lake. I tried everything I could to pull it out. Used ropes, called for help, but nothing worked. Just when I was about to give up, a humble man appeared. And with him, an alien. Yes, a real alien. With quiet teamwork and some unknown alien power, they pulled my car out of the lake effortlessly. Together they did what seemed impossible. Thanks, alien. Thanks, Lone Naga. To show my thanks, I dropped the Lone Naga back to the parking spot where he's parked. What are you still watching? Subscribe now and stay tuned for the next video.